Hello, everyone. Welcome to our DIY interior design tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to transform your bedroom by decorating the wood wall behind your bed using a variety of components. With these simple steps, you can create a beautiful and functional space that you'll love. Let's get started. First, gather your materials: studs, top plate, bottom plate, header, sill plate, nailer strips, and drywall. Start by framing the wall using the studs, top plate, bottom plate, header, and sill plate. This will provide the structural support needed. Next, add insulation between the studs for energy efficiency and soundproofing. Now, attach plywood as sheathing to provide additional support and a smooth surface. Time to add the wood paneling for that rustic, cozy look. Secure it to the wall, covering the plywood. To enhance the aesthetics, add baseboard, crown molding, chair rail, and wainscoting to create a decorative frame. Don't forget about functionality. Install electrical outlets and switches for your lighting and devices. Speaking of lighting, mount your preferred light fixtures to create ambience and functionality. If you desire entertainment in your bedroom, mount your TV using a TV mount. Ensure it's properly secured. Now, let's personalize your space. Add shelving for decor and storage, and hang picture frames to complete the look. And there you have it. With these simple steps and the right components, you can transform your bedroom's wood wall behind the bed into a stylish and functional masterpiece. Get creative, make it your own, and enjoy your newly decorated space. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time, happy decorating.